Live tonight at 7 p.m. CCC Because We Care Foundation, Acts of Kindness, live chat with Enyka Gaines, Adriane Gaines, Carmen Mayes, spiritual healer, coming in as a special guest to provide some guidance and support. So whether you're a beginner or professional, questions about wealth, travel, we'll be discussing taxes, mortgages, insurance, affiliate marketing, small business setup, digital creation, online marketing, and more. So feel like your finances might be overwhelming. Here's where you can actually get some answers to your questions happen. Experience in the field, and we're here to help. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments or come at 7 p.m. live on YouTube and Facebook at Adriane Mayes, or leave a comment to follow, as we're going to help achieve each other financial success and travel to new exciting places. Acts of kindness with the community, supporting one another as we navigate these topics. So I invite you today, my friends. Let's go make change today. I'll see you at 7.